To determine a person's age in Excel, follow these straightforward steps. Enter date of birth in the format month/date/year and enter the formula, put the equal sign as usual before the formula, utilize the formula of dated if, then click on the cell where date of birth is written. Then write the formula of today without equal sign, because here today formula is used as an argument. Then type I between inverted commas or quotation marks, press enter. This formula calculates the age in years based on the date of birth. Utilize the formula of datedef for age in years, months, and days separately, or get the age with all of these details. Put the equal sign where you want to get the age in days. Type datedef. Click on date of birth, then click on the cell in which last date is typed, then type M between inverted commas. Press enter. This formula calculates the age in months. To calculate a person's age in Excel, including years, months, and days, you can use the datadif function in a single formula. Here's a concise and comprehensive formula. Equal sign before the formula. Type dated if. Simple bracket, then click on the cell of date of birth. After that, click on the last date to calculate the age. Then, type Y between commas. Close the bracket. Space, then press on the and. Again, give the space and write Y between commas. Also, give the space after Y. Do this procedure 2 times more for months and days. Fill in YM for the third argument to ignore years and get the total number of months between 2 dates. Fill in MD for the third argument to ignore months and get the total number of days between 2 dates. Use the and operator to join strings. After completing the formula, press enter. The result will be displayed in front of you.